Okay, enough of selectors and enough of them. We've done element selector, attribute selector, pseudo elements, combinators. You know all the selectors we did. By now, there is relatively no element you will not be able to pick on the HTML page and style. You have powers of adding beauty to your page. And so one thing I want to show us quickly is what a lot of people overlook when they are training students, and I feel you should know it. And so I created a simple, when I had to create a simple page, and so this is just a H1, and this is a paragraph tag. And so what we want to do is the media element or the media capability of CSS. Now if you look at this, so you can actually add different styles to different media. What are those medias? You can add different CSS to a mobile phone. You can add different CSS to a page when they want to print it. That way you can control the look and feel of your stuff when it's been printed. So let's just go ahead and look at what we have here. So I'm just going to refresh this. So look at this media screen. So you use this at media. So the normal screen should have this. Now, but when they try to print, you should have this style. So you see, we're saying, so this is a nested CSS. So for example, this is it. We're saying when they want to print, do this. When they want to print, bring this body, style this body, use this particular style for the body. Do you get that? And so add color and all that. So I'm going to say blue, just so you see me do it and all that. But let me just paste what I have. And so we're saying that when they want to print, so let's go ahead and so you see this is green, but go ahead and click and type Ctrl and P. So this is a print screen. So you see the color is different. So you can actually add a specific color at print out, so that when people print, they will have a different look. And so this one we're saying on print screen, comma, print, comma, the body should use this line height. You already know what this is. And so you can use this to actually determine the output, different output. You know, the laptop screen is an output, paper is an output. So you can say, I want to use this method of styling when people are viewing from the paper, and I want to use this method of styling when people are viewing my website on the screen. And so that's it. And so in the next lecture, I'm going to be showing you something called opacity. All right, catch you.